Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blemish and blackhead removal that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Teenitor Pimple Extractor Tool. The Teenitor Pimple Extractor is a surgical-grade stainless steel tool that is perfect for blackhead removal. With its sterilized and clean design, you never have to worry about harmful infections. This 2-in-1 popper tool is multifunctional, allowing you to remove pimples, acne, zits, pores, blackheads, and whiteheads. It comes with 4 functional ends, including a sharp needle point to open the pore skin, and 3 different shapes and sizes of loops to effectively clean up blackheads and blemishes of all sizes, even in hard-to-reach areas. Before using, make sure to wipe all tools with rubbing alcohol for optimum cleanliness. The Teenitor Pimple Extractor is the perfect kit for anyone looking to start their blackhead removal journey at home. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Lanties Titanium Lancet Pimple Extractor. The Lanties Titanium Pimple Tool is designed to help you efficiently remove blackheads, whiteheads, and other facial blemishes. Made from high-quality titanium alloy, this tool stays sharp and durable, allowing you to apply pressure without bending or breaking it. Its 2-in-1 design features both a pointed tip and a round loop, giving you the flexibility to handle different types of blemishes with ease. At about 4.7 inches long, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to control during use. This tool is a handy addition to your skincare routine for clear, smooth skin. At number 3, we have the IUMAKEVP 15PC Stainless Steel Blackhead Remover Kit. The IUMAKEVP Blackhead Remover Kit offers a complete set of 15 tools designed to help you safely and effectively remove blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, and other skin impurities. Made from surgical-grade stainless steel with electroplated needles, these tools are durable, rust-resistant, and gentle on all skin types. The anti-slip handles give you better control and precision, making it easier to apply the right amount of pressure without hurting your skin. Plus, the kit comes in a handy metal case that keeps everything organized and portable, so you can maintain clear skin wherever you go. At number 2, we have the AskBed 5PCS Stainless Steel Blackhead Remover Kit. The AskBed Blackhead Remover Kit offers a set of 5 durable tools made from high-quality stainless steel, so you can trust they'll last and resist rust. Each tool has dual-ended needles designed to help you remove blackheads, pimples, and blemishes with precision, giving you better control over the extraction process. The handles feature a textured, non-slip grip, making it easier and safer for you to apply the right amount of pressure without hurting your skin. Plus, the kit works well on different skin types and various skin issues, providing a versatile solution for smoother, clearer skin. And finally, at number 1, we have the YOUYISI Professional Pimple Popper Toolkit. Introducing the YOUYISI Pimple Popper Kit, the ultimate solution for tackling acne and blackheads. This comprehensive 22-piece set offers a range of tools designed to efficiently and safely extract the substances present in comedones, reducing the appearance of acne and preventing their progression. With sharp tips made from stainless steel, this kit is specifically designed for extracting cystic acne from various areas of the body. The kit also includes a magnifying glass and alcohol pads for added convenience. After use, simply clean the tools and store them in a dry and safe place. Keep them out of the reach of children. For more severe acne or cases that cannot be controlled, it is always recommended to consult a dermatologist. Take control of your skin with the YOUYISI Pimple Popper Kit. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!